I'm Josef Ploch, Marketing Manager for Logo, and I've been doing this enthusiastically for 20 years. Logo is a product you can play with. Everyone likes to play, and when you can combine work and play, it's a lot of fun. You can think up models. That's the nice thing, because you get the technology back into it and move away for a little while from marketing and PowerPoint slides. You can pick it up, try it out, and show others what you've learned. Naturally, that's not possible with the big controllers. There's so much more context with them. But with a logo, you have it all in hand. Logo is the best product in the Siemens portfolio because it appeals to both young and old. We've done workshops where parents bring their kids and everybody has a good time. A father explains to his son what automation technology is, then the son programs something and sees things move. Lights go on and off, and he did it all himself. Logo now has its own reputation. A lot of people who work with the big controls at first look down their nose at Logo. That little thing, it can't do anything. On the other hand, it's always fascinating to do customer workshops and start them with the basics. You'll have people there who say, "Oh, Logo, that's just a toy." But then, let them work with the software for 2 hours and suddenly they see something move. And then they say, "Wow, you can do all that with this little thing? We didn't think it could be done." Of course, people are thinking of the Logo of 18 years ago. Back then, we could only program 30 blocks. Now it's 400. We had 8 basic functions and 8 extra functions. Now we have well over 40 functions. Logo 8 has a small housing of just 4 module width, like Logo 6, so it can truly fit in any switchgear cabinet. Logo 8 has an all-new display with colored backlighting. That lets me make user messages much clearer and more attention-getting, like alarm messages, for example. The new Logo has an Ethernet interface and integrated web server that you don't need to program anymore. Any Logo customer can program these message texts, check them, assign a password, and be ready to do remote control or run analyses on a smartphone. There's no such thing as a typical Logo application. One user might restore old lighthouses and can't get the signals to operate correctly, so they put Logo in the system and control it that way. Another might use it for a greenhouse or a terrarium. Another might use it to run the bicycle washing system they built. There's such a wide range of things you can do with it that you can't say that there is a typical Logo user. When we presented Logo 8 at trade shows, we found that visitors want to buy it on the spot. We could have sold starter kits off the back of a truck. To me, it's a good Logo day when a customer tells me, "That's just what I wanted. I can do that too." And that's exactly how I want to do it with Logo. And it's especially nice when it's a former customer of a competitor.